Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This just arrived in the mail today and like literally just picked it up 5 minutes ago. I have not opened it yet. All I've done is take off my name and address and mark out, black out who sent it to me and their address. And now we're going to open it up. And I'm super excited, so let's get, and it came from England, so let's open her up. Right off the bat, I'm going to tell you who this is from. It's from Abby, and her channel is called From Abby with Love. I know she's added a few things here, but I did order something for hubby, and he doesn't know about it yet, so he's upstairs actually right now having a shower. And he asked me what the parcel was, and I said, oh, it's just fragrance. I'm just gonna do an unboxing. So he's in the shower right now, and he does not know that this is actually for him. So I wonder, can you guys guess what it might be and which house it's from? So here we go. Anticipation, anticipation. Oh, yeah. Okay, here we go, here we go. First of all, this is the package, and I'm assuming that Abby just basically put it in the way it was. So let's open her up. Here we go. And it says right on here, Penhaligons. Now it's not in a fancy box, so there's no magnificent, you know, unboxing with the fancy box here. This is unboxed item, and it's a significant savings. I'm not sure how much this is worth, but I will link it up here somewhere. And I did not pay that price for it because it's unboxed, and you all know how fancy the box are, but my husband doesn't care about the box. All he cares about is the fragrance, and let's get right into it. She's quite well sealed up, which is good. Okay, here we go. I'm going to move the box actually, and then we'll have a look inside the box and see what else is in there. Can you see this? Sorry, the angle of the... Ooh. The angle of the camera is probably not the greatest, but here we have it, guys. It is Sartorial by Penhaligons. And I actually wanted to get my husband this for Father's Day. And I'm glad I didn't, because this sale just went on. It's probably not on anymore, but the sale just went on, and they were selling out a lot of their unboxed fragrances. This is a men's fragrance, but I'm sure a woman could probably wear it too. Oh, it's kind of stuck here, so I'm assuming that's the whole reason why it's so cheap. Excuse me. Yeah, see, the little ribbon and everything is kind of been stuck to it, but I can fix that. There, see how nice that is? The little lid goes on like that, and I can fix that, no problem. So here we go. This is straight up a man's man. I'm going to spray it on my arm. Oh, it's fresh. It's got, I have no idea what's in it. It's citrusy. It's a real good summer fragrance. I would say it is, I'm going to tell you what this smells like. I don't know what the notes are, because I basically opened it up so quickly, I didn't even have time to check, but I will tell you what it actually smells like. And this is absolutely spot on. One of my friends here that I've just met, a really nice guy who I just met, actually has this fragrance, and he explained it exactly what it smells like, and it smells like a tailor's workshop where you go in there and you smell the fabric and the steam when they're steaming, as they put the stitches into the material of the suits. You can smell that steam that they're steaming and pressing. It is classic, very, you know what, I think a woman could wear this, but it just smells like a tailor shop's workshop. That's what this smells like. It's just gorgeous. So I can't wait to give it to my husband. He already knows what this smells like. Abby sent him a sample of it. I'm so excited here. I'm fudging my words. Yeah, she already sent him a sample of this, and he just could not get enough of it. So he knows what it smells like. Can't wait to give it to him when I clean up the bottle a little bit more. But yeah, it's just gorgeous, guys, just gorgeous. And I could not be more pleased that Abby sent this to me. I ordered it, and she shipped it to me. And let's go ahead and check out what else is in the box. I did, while I was on the website, I also picked up these, and it's the lip balm. This one is rose. Let's open it up and smell it. I'm obsessed with lip balms, guys. So when I saw they had these on for £4 each, I couldn't resist. So I had a little bit of difficulty getting into the tin. This is the lip balm. Just going to check it out on my lips right now. Oh my gosh, this feels amazing. I have a similar lip balm that comes in a little tin like this. This has a very slight, subtle smell of rose. Let's kind of give you an idea. It doesn't have a flavor, it just has a very slight rose scent to it. And as I say, guys, I have one similar to this, and it's from Smith's. And it's, I believe it's a strawberry one, and it's about the same size. And yeah, for £4, I picked up two. I love the feel of it. Feels similar to Smith's lip balm. So, okay, so that's two of those, and that. And then Abby also sent me this cute little bag, and I believe it has a whole bunch of samples inside, guys. Look. Okay, let's start with this one. Clandestine. Kayali. I think it says Kayali. I think there's one that's leaked in here somewhere. So the writing is smudged. Let's see what this one is. This is going to be interesting, guys, because the writing is smudged on them. Something has leaked. I'm not sure what that is either. Let's see what else we got here. We got Chloe Now. We have, I don't know what that one is either. We have Narciso Podrico, is it? What else is this one? Again, I have no idea. We're going to have to, oh, this is the one that has leaked, guys. This is the one that has leaked. Oh, okay. It's completely empty. That one leaked. Yeah, they leaked, unfortunately. Tonka. and Love Be Shy Killian, I think that one is. What else we got here? We have, oh, Angel Share, yeah. And I don't know what the rest of them are, so it's going to be interesting to smell them and find out. I'm going to have lots of fun going through all these samples, finding out what they smell like and what they are. So it's going to be the guessing game. Abby, you're going to have to help me out there. Thank you, Abby, so much for mailing these to me. These actually arrived within, I believe, about 8 days. I was able to track them. And yeah, 8 days, that's pretty fast to come from the UK. Thanks again, darling. I love you. Your friendship means more to me than I can even say. And it was so kind of you to mail these out to me and to send me all these wonderful samples, which is going to be interesting to try and find out what they are. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I will see you all in the next video. And as I always say, don't let anyone ever dull your sparkle. Bye.